All right, welcome back to Mind Muscle Memory Program. And today we're going to do a short video on a nice exercise for the biceps. And that's going to be using a band exercise for the biceps. And it's very simple. We're going to make this so that we can get a burn in those muscles, get some resistance, but we're just going to be standing. The first one we're going to do is hold the band down to the front of the leg, and then take the other hand and grab it right on the inside and pull up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3. And again, we're doing the same technique that we always learn, and that's to keep the shoulder nice and stable. And you should feel that bicep get a burn starting in the muscle belly. If you're straining up higher by your shoulder, then it's going to be too much on that shoulder. So here we go. Up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3. So nice steady pattern, always keeping what we call time under tension. We want the burn in the muscle from the resistance to last for 60 seconds, upwards of even 90 seconds, 10 to 15 repetitions on the muscle. So as we finish the last couple here, we're going to just keep our shoulder stable and work that arm. That's it, right there, and then down. Now we're going to switch it. So we're just going to simply take this hand, hold it down by the leg, take it across the hand, and then we'll set that arm up, shoulder first, keeping the wrist straight, bring it up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 3. And this whole time we're just keeping the shoulder stable, and we don't want to feel any strain up at the top of the bicep by the shoulder. It should always be, again, the burn should start after 3 or 4 repetitions. It should start right there in the middle of the muscle belly, and then you'll keep that muscle belly tight and under tension, right? So we can keep the burn going and use all that sugar that's stored in the muscles. Good, and keep your air breathing. Of course, we're working out, exhaling and inhaling on the way down and exhaling. Trying to breathe primarily through the nose, working that arm. One more repetition, tightening and stretching. So there you go. That's a simple, smooth method to use that band, get those biceps burning, but not making sure the muscles are burning, but you're not straining the wrist or the shoulders. Remember, work on that form and that muscle pattern to get the best out of the muscles and get the best sugar burn in those muscles. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.